Some phones have a safety feature that automatically disables certain functions, such as the flashlight or torch, when the battery level drops below a certain threshold, typically 15%. This is to ensure that there is enough power left in the battery to allow the phone to operate normally and to prevent the battery from becoming completely drained. However, it's worth noting that not all phones have this feature, and even those that do may allow you to override it or adjust the threshold at which it kicks in. So here are some steps to help you fix the problem the easiest way without changing the phone's settings. Firstly, you need to install this application named 4K Camera Pro. However, it's available on third-party websites and apps that allows you to download apps that are not available on the Play Store. Once you open the application, you will find an option of turning on flashlight. The main purpose of the flashlight on this app is to be able to provide efficient light when recording on a dark room, poorly ventilated rooms, and when there's darkness. However, we are going to use the flashlight for the purpose of lighting only. The application won't exit by itself, allowing us to have enough time to get us to what we wanted to do. There are other camera applications that can help us solve the problem, and the list is too long to answer. Example is application named Wide Camera. Share this video to help a friend and will be highly appreciated. My name is Arnold and I wish you the very best. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful.